Welcome back, everybody. Another day. I am actually in the shop today. As you can see, got a little helper today. You say hey.
Hey.
This is my son Thomas. How old are you, Thomas?
6.5.
6.5.
About to be 7.
About to be 7. That's right. So we're in the shop today. As you know, I have a landscape and a sawmill business. This is actually my grandfather's shop that I grew up when I was probably his age or younger. I was in here messing around. I learned a lot of stuff from him. Probably I'll show some stuff that he's made and stuff that he's taught me over my 40 plus years, or actually 40 years that I've been alive. But anyway, it's raining outside, so having a landscape and a sawmill business, you get kind of stuck if it's raining. So we're in here today. I think my wife and maybe daughter is actually going to come down here and we're going to make some stuff. We have a vendor event coming up in a couple weeks that we're going to make some stuff. I may show you some pictures on here as well of a previous one we did and stuff we made. But like I said, it's raining today, so we're going to get in here and kind of clean up the shop a little bit, get ready to make some stuff. I do a lot of things in here, farmhouse tables.
I built a table.
He's built a table before. I have a CNC machine that I use.
I actually built 2.
Built 2 tables. The CNC machine that I have, I've made some stuff, ornaments, stuff like that for the vendor events. A lot of Christmas time comes around, people want stuff like that. I did pretty good last time, so like I said, we're going to be in here making some stuff. Hopefully my wife will be down here for long. They went to the store, and Thomas here is going to help me do some stuff as well. Hey everybody, welcome back. As you can see, I have my wife, my daughter here to help us out. We're making some stuff for the vendor event. This is one thing that I did before, just a home plate that we'll seal. It's got our palmetto tree in it in the middle of it. And I actually spray painted this and sanded it, made a cool little feature out of it. And then this is another plain one out of cedar. My wife is working on some cedar trees that, or not cedar trees, but trees that she's made from a bunch of scraps that I've had in my shop. I'll let her explain to you what it is.
Thanks, Paul. So last year I was just playing around. I think I saw a version of it on Pinterest and was in the shop and playing, and Paul thought I was crazy for trying to make Christmas trees out of different scrap pieces of wood he has. But the joke was on him because those were the first things that sold at one of our vendor events we did. So it was kind of exciting because he thought I was crazy, but in reality it was the first thing to sell, and it was made out of the scrap pieces of wood he just had that he was going to burn in the pit. So Carolee is in here helping me make a couple because we have 2 vendor events coming up, and so that's what we're up to this morning.
So as you can see, my daughter thinks it's very funny that we're on YouTube making videos, whereas she makes TikToks all the time. Carol, what's your TikTok name? You can go look at it.
Bulges_spams13.
So maybe go check her out and see how crazy she acts. But very funny and acting kind of weird right now. So we'll see y'all next time.
What if it didn't record again?
Probably did. Hey guys, back at it. This is kind of what my wife was talking about. Scrap wood, made in a little Christmas tree. Some people like to just have them plain like this, or they can color each individual strip in a different color or color it all green. I think we had a customer last year that got it and did a little paint party for their kids or friends or whatever. I'm not sure exactly what it was, but I know that's what they did. These are the plates I had. I just stained them. Different stain colors. One's walnut, one's a chestnut. And this is what I got out of it. Welcome to our farmhouse. This one, I'm gonna do a little bit different. I don't like the turnout of it. Can't really see the contrast in it versus the dark. I go over here and did this one. Kind of a glare on it. But anyway, it's kind of spray painted white. Let that dry. Sand away that white. Got to stand out a little more. That was done on the CNC machine. I got a couple videos of it working. Well, that's something you're interested in. Send me a message. I can make it.